Hey, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
My supervisor is here because yesterday was like Valentine's Day, so yeah, we can have a coffee together. Morning, morning. Sorry, Nandana, yeah. Good morning. So many people here. Now, I promised to my wife we're gonna hang up with friends, so that's what I meant. Yeah.
Hello, good morning.
Now, you know, Diana, romantic. Good morning. Are you making more demo videos? Yeah, of course. It's an ongoing thing. Why did you take down the solar project videos? I don't think. I think are still there. Huh? No, I think are still online.
Hello, Bob. Nice to meet you. Neața.
Neața, guys. Să rămână. Vezi, genul meu.
Trebuia să mai zică Duduie.
Duduie. Morning, guys. Any updates on the Tube FM radio? I ordered the radio. I'm waiting for the radio. Yeah, I ordered the radio. It is. The radio and the transformer. And we're gonna do it on like a Sunday live stream.
Hi, Libby. So I said from now on, I'm not gonna watch from behind. I'm right here.
Yeah, my supervisor.
I always been on the background, so not anymore.
Can I have your WhatsApp number? No. Of course, I can't do it. I don't want like phone calls from people when we have a YouTube channel with over 1,500 videos. We have a Discord with over 25,000 people, and we have a forum. It's pointless. So what you are trying to do is you are trying to take a shortcut. That's the thing. So yeah, don't take shortcuts. There's no place for shortcuts on this job. You take a shortcut if you are like a normal customer. On that point, you can just reach a computer shop and they will fix it for you. Diana, no, she doesn't have a ham license. No, she has only a license for ham sandwiches. Now Sarin is going to fade to the background. I don't know, but the people are saying I'm the beautiful one. Morning, guys. What about the changes to Discord? I seen that, yeah. I mean, let's be honest. Whatever Microsoft bought before, go to bin. Remember Skype and whatever they bought before. So they will buy Discord from what I seen. And yeah, you can expect this kind of changes.
And we're moving on TeamSpeak.
TeamSpeak? Yeah. Yeah, we can. Yeah. But no, it's the age verification, from what I understood, is for people looking for porn and stuff like that. But for normal people, they will not ask for age verification. Your wife is so calm and simple. Ha! Can't believe. It's just because it's a live stream, but usually I'm abused by my wife, so. Okay, just joking. How did you spend your Valentine's Day?
I think our Valentine's Day is today because yesterday we didn't have time to spend our Valentine's Day.
You'll not believe what I'm gonna do after the live stream. No, I mean later today.
Yeah, after the live stream. It's like,
It's like 20
Eight.
past 8.
yeah, it will be 9. We're going to leave at 10:30.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
after that.
You're not gonna believe it, what I will do. Something which I never done in my life. Restaurant with money. No. We are not doing that. No. No, we are not doing that.
We bought the tickets for Pop and Barks,
Yeah.
and we gonna take our golden retriever to a golden meeting. It's called Pop and Bark Cafe.
Yeah. So it's a meeting with golden retrievers. How's your daughter flying going? Yesterday. Yeah. We are going
You're
after.
going.
Yeah. Yesterday she had her first nav fly solo. You know, nav fly, you fly to a destination, then come back. Yeah, yesterday she had that. So it's like few lessons left, and that's all. Yeah.
You ruined my microphone.
Like
she wants
dit
to
is
speak
Dit
on
is
the
juist.
microphone.
Hi.
Okay, go down.
Hi. Dit is juist. Hi. Yes.
Good.
Okay. Morning, good morning. Fii cu minte, like. Okay. We are the yeah. We are.
She
Yeah.
wants to be in the live stream. She's the beauty. So she is the beauty now. My brother is a captain for UPS.
Yeah, UPS, they have an incident like a
Nice.
few months ago. Where is her mic? Yeah, no mic for Laika. No. But she's like a model dog. I mean, she's not chewing anything from the house. Rarely is barking.
See.
It's like, like a perfect dog. I have absolutely no problem.
Dresajul a fost de mine, dar nu profesional. E doar cât să ne asculte.
George, the thing is when you like teach dog different things, then the dog is not a dog anymore. It's behaving based on what you teach the dog. I like the dog to have his own personality. This is not my first dog. I grow up with a dog. So the dog usually, is learning the boundaries, and the dog is behaving based on, what he's seeing. So no, we didn't teach the dog anything, and we have no problems at all. Why you don't help on Discord? What do you mean I don't help on Discord? We have a chat. It's a members only chat. That chat, I'm responsible of that chat. So if you ask there, just be sure you tag me, and I'm pretty sure I will help you. Otherwise, you have the other chats on Discord, but there are a lot of people. Like I said, there are over 25,000 people on Discord. So you don't really need me for that. Again, it's just another shortcut. Shortcuts are not helpful. Not on this on electronics. If you want a shortcut, just go to a computer shop and that's all.
Someone asked how old is Laika. She will be 2 next month, in March. She will be 2 years old.
Do you visit the live stream with other guys? Yeah. Well, of course, when I have time, I seen Laptop Fix, I seen live streams from him, I seen J Fix. Yeah, sometimes when it's a matter of luck. I'm going on the YouTube and YouTube is advertising that specific live stream. Yeah. Whatever is called and what? Yesterday was a perfect day, Mike. Yesterday, yeah, when my daughter has the flight. But now, like 1 week, again, it only rain and wind. Domnul Sorin, de ce nu faceți tutoriale în română? Pentru că dacă vorbim în română, numai românii înțeleg. Înțelegi? Așa vorbim în engleză și toată planeta înțelege. Good morning, good morning.
Nu acum, mai târziu.
Yeah. Papi is excited. Why is so difficult to learn proper electronics? It's not. What do you mean? Difficult. How to fix stuff? No free lessons. What do you mean?
There's like how many lessons?
Nothing
on
is taught
channel?
free. We have. Check here. What is my channel? Where is our channel? 1 second. What do you mean? We make videos. All are free content.
It's more than 1,000?
On this channel, yeah, but we have the other channel for beginners, yeah? For like people starting now. Sorin and Diana. What is Sorin and Diana? I'll give you the link. Hard. It's nothing hard. Again, you are looking for shortcuts. You are looking with no knowledge. You are looking to jump straight on the repairs. I think that's the problem. Of course, everything is hard. Sorin and Diana. Check here. Yeah, this channel. Yeah, this is for beginners. Yeah, if Diana learned, you can learn. Yeah.
Poți să-i dau bani?
Huh?
Andrei a zis salut bătrâne. Și dacă nu mă înșel,
Yeah.
Știu cine e.
ATF. Yeah. I remember. Andy ATF.
Andy. Ultima dată erai cu kinderul la purtător și mâncam pastramă. Mâncai pastramă. Nici acum nu pot să uit, nu. Da. Memories.
Yeah, Andy is an old friend. Which language? Like I understand both. Because obviously my kids are speaking only English. So, yeah, Laika is like, he's a bilanguage dog.
I'm Romanian, of course.
From Transylvania, yeah, from Transylvania. Supervisor, yeah. You know, Diana, she's doing an important part from the job. So I'm doing the repairs, and that's what I'm doing. But Diana, she's doing the unpackaging, yeah, unpacking the laptops. She's like bringing the jobs here, and that's all, yeah. Then then packaging, posting, and everything is done by Diana. It's it's like a huge part. It's like a huge part. If I need like a motherboard, I need something, Diana, she will gonna look for it. So we are working together. Apart from that, Diana has her gaming YouTube channel, Twitch, and all that kind of stuff.
And don't forget the kitchen.
Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, okay. Of course, the normal stuff from the house. Laika, first dog in the space, yeah. Laptop fix, Natsa. Florin, Natsa. How Diana learned electronics? From that, I just shared the channel. It was a challenge to see if Diana can learn electronics, so I can have some content for beginners. And yeah,
Stop.
I think I know why the supervisor is here today. Funny Palinka? No, he's gone. That funny Palinka is gone. He's finished. Na, nu câinele ăsta, îi place la vet. Abia așteaptă să meargă la vet. My dog loved the vet. Can we sure there's the clock and data to ignore signal on intersil? No, I short clock and data. If you remember, we had a job with the angle sensor from the screen, where on that video, I short the clock and data, so the system it will ignore the angle sensor from the screen. But otherwise, if you short the clock and data or like intersil chip, which is a power management chip, I don't think that it will work, because the intersil chip has to speak with the AC chip, about charging, about, power and all that kind of stuff. Maria Nelsa.
That's Maria. Bob, we do have a cat, yes, and a bunny. First was the bunny, then we got the cat, and then the dog. I don't know what's next. The entire zoo.
Yeah. Do you use schematics on your repairs? Rarely. Here in the UK, it's a very competitive business, the repair business. Thank you very much for the member. Thank you. So I don't really have time to spend on the schematic, trying to stay efficient. That's why I'm picking only certain jobs. I cannot pick any job. So I'm picking jobs where actually no one tried to repair them. I'm picking jobs where, there are some faults, most likely related with the power. Yeah, avoiding all that kind of stuff like coming on no picture and partial working laptops. So yeah. PCH replacement, any tips? I made a video. What do you mean? We have video replacing the PCH with hot air. Just check that video. We have two videos. One video I replaced the PCH with one from AliExpress and didn't work. Didn't even get hot. And the second one, I replaced the PCH. I ordered from Germany, the PCH, and I replaced it and the laptop actually worked. So have a look. Good for you, Bob. Good for you. Have you ever visited Transylvania, Dracula Castle? We were living like 50 miles or less from Dracula Castle. So yeah, if I remember, first time I was like a kid, and they were like school trips, and we went there. I went there. Thank you very much. Thank you for the member. Thank you. Par serios, așa sunt eu. Dar, na. Bună dimineața. Bună dimineața. Morning, guys. I just bought a new laptop. Should I charge the battery max 3 times to better life spawn? You know what? If I will buy a new laptop and I know it's always plugged in, probably I will disconnect the battery. Or if you have the opportunity, you can set up on some laptops how much the laptop should charge and how much the laptop should discharge before charging again. So setting up like 80%, that's a good idea to preserve the battery life. New movie from Dracula? No. I seen Hotel Transylvania. You know the cartoons? Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I said sorry, blow a smoke ring.
Oh, what do you mean?
You know, when we are teenagers and
Yeah.
we blow the rings with smoke. You never done that?
No. No?
Yeah. Cerculețe. Faci cu gura cerculețe.
Da,
de
niciodată
fum.
n-am făcut.
Am făcut eu. I can do that, Bob. But unfortunately, I'm not smoking anymore.
Yeah, Diana, she's playing Diablo, PoE 2, Apex Legends, Metin, and all that kind of stuff. Lukatas, thank you very much for the gifted members. Thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. What is the easiest way to find a short with a multimeter? I mean, there is no easy way or hard way. It's only one way. You take the probes with a multimeter and, touch the circuit and see where is the short. But first you have to identify what you are checking. So you have to know what you check. You can check random stuff, but you can get confused. I mean, if you're checking like capacitors near to the CPU or GPU, you'll see they are shorted, but actually there is no short.
We have picture.
Mm-hmm.
But before that, we have picture. Oh, you guys, you don't know. You don't know. Sometimes like swearing a lot, and after that, when he come, we have picture, and I say, oh yes, he fixed it.
Of course, I'm getting angry like everyone else. Let's be honest. Everyone is getting angry at some point. Diana is a dodgy person too.
I think so. Yes. Because everything is like, when you have to fix something, the first thing that I'm looking for is the glue. Maybe that I'm dodgy.
Yeah, Diana fixed a lot of phones before.
I'm not dodging. I'm not dodgy with that.
We worked together so many years. Yeah, she was repairing. Yeah. Now I don't take phones anymore.
Dodgy gaming? No.
Vital, thank you very much. Thank you for your donation. What usually was considered short under 100 ohms? No. It's considering being a short if it's not the value you expect to. So that's the point I'm trying to make. You have to identify what you are checking. Because if I'm checking the let's say the CPU 4 ohms, that's not short. If I'm checking the main power rail 4 ohms, it is short. Yeah. Even 10 ohms, 50 ohms on the main power rail, that's a short. Partial short, but still a short. Your ceramic hot air blower video is crazy. I know, but that's how we used to do it. Like what? Like 30 years ago. Thank you very much for the member. Thank you. Do you ever make a video of the tools for your first years of repairs? We have videos with tools on the first years of the repairs. The life change is not like that. You know, on that point, I had like only cheap tools. You remember I worked like 10 years with like a cheap eBay solder iron, like 25 pound solder iron. So nothing changed. What changed is actually now you can get like good tools for cheap. You spoke not having a multimeter, yeah, but that's not like okay. I don't, now we have to go back 40 years. 40 years ago, yes, I was using LED and a battery to check semiconductors and even voltage, even the transistor bias. But on that time we have only transistors, yeah, no chips and all that, only transistors. So yeah, I did work a lot with LED and a battery because the multimeters were rare. We were living like in communism and they were expensive. Yeah, you know what? These kind of stories, make me feel good. Like people actually fixing stuff. You are a lucky guy, buying a gaming laptop and actually all what was there like a shorter capacitor. So you are lucky. Could be a lot worse, like a dead CPU, dead GPU. It's interesting to watch the evolution of your progress over the years. You know, the way I changed over the years is the moment I came to the UK, and I never fixed laptops before. I was like a phone repair guy, phone repair and electronics, like TVs repairs, like all that kind of stuff repairs, but no laptops. So that's what changed. I start doing only laptops now. Now, from the moment I came here, yeah. But before I was doing anything else. I had a phone shop so many years. So I did phone repairs. And I have a TV repair shop, TVs. Can you explain the size of damage of the CPU and GPU? I can't. Basically, when it's not about like a 0 ohm CPU. The CPU is never 0 ohms. You have like a partial shorted CPU or partial dead CPU because you have millions of transistors there. If one is dead, like I seen on many cases, like a dead RAM memory controller, which is inside of the CPU. The CPU is not shorted. You can check with the multimeter. You have like 4 or 5 ohms, but your memory controller is dead. So your laptop is coming on in no picture. You have no idea what is the problem. I mean, what you can try is like a BIOS, but otherwise, you can suspect the CPU, you can suspect the GPU, you can suspect some soldering tracks, or crack soldering ball. You can have only one crack solder ball from the RAM memory, and your computer will come only no picture. So it's hard to say, what defines a CPU being faulty. Who makes coffee in your house?
That's a good answer.
That's a good one.
That's a good answer, Alex, at the coffee machine.
No. Let's go back in time. No.
Let's go back in time.
Let's go back in time when we got married, yeah? It was a condition. I said, okay, now we are getting married. All I want from this life, yeah? I want the coffee to be made every morning. I want you to make me the coffee every morning. Who is making your coffee every morning?
Half of my coffee.
Okay, half of your coffee.
Half.
I'm making the coffee. That's crazy. That never happened. I was tricked. I was scammed. Yeah.
No. The scam was with something else.
Oh, yeah. Okay. A doua condiție, deci ăștia treburi că l-am discutat în ziua căsătoriei sau înainte. A doua condiție a fost supă de teiței făcuți de casă. Niciodată n-am mâncat. Niciodată, dar nici măcar o dată. I'm sorry, guys, for the language. I've been scammed. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I've been scammed. But yeah, because I'm the one which is getting up first in the morning. I'm making the coffee.
Get the full
Get
refund.
You know what? You're right. It's like it's my product. It's old. It's expired. I have to return it to the manufacturer.
Yeah, but they said no returns accepted.
Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem. That's the problem.
You speak some Polish? Oh, we learn here some Polish words. And that's it. Everyone is using it.
Don't say sorry for Romanian. Yeah, but most of the people, they are English-speaking people. So, yeah, kind of like unfair to speak Romanian because other people, they will not understand. Thermal paste recommendation. I will say MX7 give me like very good results. MX7. And I have some, I showed in the last live stream, some thermal paste I have to test, like he's saying like it's better than MX7. Arctic MX7. You never win, sorry? Yeah, looks like.
You are stuck with me.
Yeah.
I don't know, is that the punishment or something?
It's a punishment, yeah, of course. I want something younger. Do you have any holidays plans? Holidays at home. Saving money. How about that?
You want holidays? You can search on Google.
Yeah, I said, you want Paris? Just go on Google, search for pictures on Paris. Yeah. It's hard to have holiday when I have my daughter doing the fly school and all that kind of stuff. There are a lot of money. The whole school is like 100K. So, we're trying to save and we're trying to get it done. Did you make a lot of mistakes when you first started repairing electronics? Yeah, that's how you learn. Yeah, I did a lot. Yeah, definitely. Please read my prior question about modifying a linear power supply. hard. Sorry, you are stuck with Diana. That's all what I'm saying. You just copy paste again, so I can read it. Do you have anything to say about AI impacting the repair business in the future? No, this it will not gonna happen. In the repair business, you need brain, you need experience. Let's say an engineer is coming out from a uni. Yeah, she is finishing the university, electronics. You think he will know how to repair? No, of course not. You need experience. Now, the repair business is no school for the repair business. So the only way to learn is basically, trying to read the schematics, having a look on YouTube, the people repairing stuff. But I can't see AI actually fixing stuff. Yeah, exactly, Lucian. Yeah, exactly. I've Rashid too. Good morning. Good morning. So, guys, drink your coffee, right? My coffee is nearly finished. Diana, coffee?
I still have some.
Yeah, still have some.
But Florin, everyone is welcome here. It doesn't matter from which part of the world they are watching. If so,
Yeah, definitely.
and the live stream is still on the YouTube channel, so they can watch
Yeah, past live streams, yeah.
whenever they want.
Is your Discord free to join? Of course it's free to join. Discord forum is all free. Care este motivul pentru care nu dezlipi CPU? So what is the reason why you are not taking the CPU from other boards when they are faulty? Is the time. If I cannot make at least 50 pounds in like 30 minutes, I'm not doing it. So I cannot get inside of a job where I'm not like over 50% sure I'm making money. I can't do it. I'm losing time. And replacing the CPU, GPU, chipset, this is a gray area because they are not selling new components. So to replace it, you have to use a second-hand one. So no. Am înțeles, Marian. Am înțeles. It's better to open yeah, definitely. So having a computer business shop, like a real shop, it's very easy to take jobs. And it's very easy to take any job. I mean, laptops can look kind of hard to repair. But TVs are easy. Repairing TVs or repairing whatever, is coming to your shop. A physical shop, is giving you exposure to the customer or potential customers. So definitely, if you want to learn repair or just open a business, you don't even have to fix anything. I'm just saying, you are a beginner. Just open a business. You will survive only, by. I seen computer business just surviving by selling like accessories, stuff like that. Doing Windows, doing hard drive replacement, screen replacement, keyboard replacement, battery replacement. Yeah, definitely. It's a lot of exposure. A computer shop, even a small one from my town, has a lot more exposure compared with myself. So yeah, definitely that's the way to go. You have to understand you cannot fail. You can't fail. No, no. Even if you are not doing repairs, you are doing the other stuff. You don't even have to do repair. Even if you do like basic stuff like screen replacement, hinge repair, battery, keyboards, Windows, clean up stuff, clean up like Windows clean up, like yeah, you can't fail. No. Romanians were treated very badly. What do you mean?
By who?
By who?
Câți ani aveți
You,
împreună?
you can fail if you're tiny, small. No, but it's still a town, right? Where the people are fixing the stuff. It's a small town. Where the people are fixing the stuff. No, no, you can't.
I think it's raining in UK.
Yeah, the weather is looking bad.
Bad, bad.
Oh.
They say this year was raining every single day in some parts of UK.
Like, like imagine 3 degrees and raining. Yeah. Cold, yeah, it is cold. Do you do car key repairs? Of course. Yeah, car key repairs is a good business if you can do it. Yeah. UK is not compatible with the sun. That's funny because I think they approve, I don't know, like millions of solar panels from their net zero achievement, or I don't know. They made a plan, and I seen on the government they approve a lot of like solar panels on the UK. What was your first repair job? From the moment I opened the business, or first on my life? I don't know. I started electronic. I was like 10 years old. Yeah, like 10 years old. I would love to have free. See, Ken. Yeah, Ken is from Canada. Yeah, I remember now. Yeah, you have snow, man. I mean, I will, I will swap the place with you. I mean, must be so fun to have snow. We haven't seen the snow this year. We didn't have like a proper snow from the moment I left Romania. You are lucky. It's warm today.
Warm today,
Minus 11.
Only when I'm
Trust
reading
me,
it,
you are
like,
lucky. You are lucky. You don't want rain. You want snow, not rain. You poor English. It's not my first language. What do you expect? How is your second language, huh?
I mean, I saw that they understand it. It's not like considering poor, right?
Yeah, it's
So
fine.
if you understand what he's saying, it's not poor.
I mean, just because I have a poor English, that doesn't mean I'm not, able to make videos. So we have only 1,500 videos on the channel. You can, if you don't understand the accent, you can activate subtitles, and the YouTube it will read it for you. But it's okay, I'm happy with my English. My daughter is not. She always tell me, Daddy, your English is so bad, your grammar is so bad. I mean, I know, but that's not what I'm trying to send on YouTube. I'm trying to do repair videos so the people, they understand. They understand from picture, I don't even have to speak. Yeah. But always, it's not only about me. Usually, the people they have in second language. Of course, the second language it's worse compared with the main language, with your mother language.
Oh, I love the Scotland accent. I love it. Dodgy English equals pizza.
Bank account poor, it's way worse than English language poor. I have both then. I have both.
My son always tells me my grammar is bad. English is my first language.
I mean, my kids' English is like perfect, like proper British because they grow up in British system. My son doesn't judge me, but my daughter, yeah, always try to correct me and all that kind of stuff. What?
Nothing.
Hmm.
She was like running on the window. The dog's eating something from the box behind her toy. Chewing her toy.
I'm afraid to start electronics without proper knowledge. When you start the electronics, you don't start with proper knowledge. You start with like basics, like Ohm law. Ohm law is the most important stuff. As soon as you understand the Ohm law, you can do whatever you want. But I already share the channel, Sorin and Diana. You can learn from there. If Diana learned, you can learn. And have in mind, electronics is not Diana's hobby, but she learned it. Yeah, the basic. I mean, we stop at the switching power supply. We learn the switching power supply, and then we stop.
Ah, that's true.
Finding a fault on the motherboard is easier comparing with finding why my wife is upset. Yeah, definitely. I'm asking, what's wrong? Nothing. It's all good. Nothing. When it's nothing, obviously something is wrong.
I remember my first repair. My first repair was like 15 years ago. I think it was 15 years ago.
Yeah.
My first repair was during our call in Skype. I think it was Skype at that time.
Yeah.
Skype. My daughter laptop, she was her first laptop. Charging port was broken.
And
I was like, what should I do now?
no.
No.
It's going back because you work on the computer, on our computer.
Yeah, but I never
phone
fixed.
shop. Yeah.
I never fixed laptops.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
And I never touched the laptop because that was the technology. Like,
yeah,
that was new at that
Yeah,
time.
you're right. You're right. You're always right.
Of course. So yeah, I changed the charging port by myself, of course, with your help.
Yeah.
On Skype.
Yeah. Well, she was able to diagnose the laptop and repair the charging port. Nokia phones back then, yeah, it was the best phone. I don't understand how they died. I mean, they died with their stupid Symbian operating system. You remember? Nokia was top. You remember that? Nokia, first Nokia, 51110. Complete success. Then you have 3310. Then, yeah, they were like insane. They were selling more than Apple is selling.
I still remember that 3310 had that issue. When you drop it, the signal was gone.
Yeah, it was the antenna switch. It was
Yeah.
a ceramic switch. Symbian was not bad, was very bad. You're right, but very bad. I mean, I had all the Nokias after that, the smartphones. And when you have a product which is not compatible with anything, Symbian stay too long. Yeah, that's the problem. Everyone switched to Android, but Nokia stuck with their Symbian thingy because the operating system was proprietary. So yeah, that's why. Not like Maya, yeah, yeah.
Finalul 3310 se schimba relativ ușor, veneau din Turcia.
3310, 3410, 510. You remember a bunch of? I made a lot of money with the phones, with the Nokia phones.
Good morning, Danny.
Then you have 6310. Was much easier back in the day to repair. Yeah, it was. It was. Now everything is made in such a way which is, I stop fixing phones because look at the iPhone. You have to crack the board only to check. It's insane. So only, just to have a look. And I can't do it. I can't just spend time to crack a board just to check. You have to spend time just to have a look and realize actually you can't fix it. It's fine on a different country, but like I said, not here. Yeah, I know. iPhone sandwich boards. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I stopped fixing phones a while ago. Okay, I post my question. What was the question?
Oh, okay. I find the question. I got a linear power supply.
Yeah.
CS 182X. It has a diagram on Circuit Specialized website. Can I just swap the linear transformer and capacitor to get higher voltage and ampere?
You can't just swap the transformer and expect more. Doesn't work like that. So obviously you have a regulator there, which is supporting certain current. It's a little bit more complicated, but I advise you to join the Discord and ask there. Yeah, you share the diagram there, and the people can guide you. Discord channel. You have the Discord channel in the description. Yeah. Is there any live repair today? No. Today I'm going with my puppy, and my dog. Which is the best? Wait 1 second. Which is the best Android battery tester which show health? You mean for normal battery or phone battery? Android battery tester. If you mean for phone battery, I can show you my device. Wait, I have a wireless mic. I'm not used with the wireless mic.
What breed you got? George, it's a golden retriever.
So I have this tester, yeah, and I have this board which I can plug a lot of batteries, you can see. So I can run test on the They can run like capacity tests, like that kind of stuff. I mean, we make videos with this. Yeah.
Did puppy get a Valentine? She will get today.
She's not a puppy, she's two. Yeah, but kind of like a puppy.
I mean, they consider the puppy till I think 5. Like they have that energy.
Can I buy this tester? I think you can buy this tester from a lot of places. I seen even better. Then this is like a board. You can find this board like charging board. So I connect plus and minus from each. Plus and minus are all connected together to a point. Connect plus and minus. You connect to your battery analyzer, and you can test phone batteries. Yeah. The most what you can test, probably what you are looking for, it's actually testing the capacity to see if they are good or not. I tried joining your Discord, but no luck. Warnings pop up. What warnings? It's free to join on Discord. I heard some country our Discord is banned, but otherwise you should be able to.
Yeah, I know in Turkey.
Turkey?
Yeah. They
But
don't
not
have
only
access.
Turkey. I think it's more a few more countries on Asia which Discord is banned.
From USA.
No. What warning? What is saying on the warning? I'm gonna go on I will give you the link. Maybe that link is not working. I'm gonna give you the other link. Wait 1 second. What I'm doing here? Huh? New window. On my website, you have a Discord link.
Jump here.
Copy link address. Let me test it. Paste. Yeah, so 100%. This one it's working 100%. Website certificate, but it's no warning. I just click on the link, it's no warning.
Are you two going to have more children? Children like Laika.
Yeah, probably more dogs.
More dogs. But no, I think 2 is enough.
It's good now? Okay. I love electronics, same like everyone from here. Everyone's loving electronics. I mean, you have to admit, electronic is cool, dealing with electronics. Yeah.
Parents always laugh at that question. I'm wondering why.
You got 8? Mike, you're a hero, man. Definitely you're a hero. I mean, yeah.
My grandson is graduating high school this year. Nice.
Guys, I nearly finished my coffee. Everyone finished the coffee?
I did.
You got a nice satisfaction when we have picture. I mean, it's nothing. It's nothing fake on my video. So when I'm saying I got a job, that's mean that's the first time I seen that laptop. I didn't even lift. So I have a lot of laptop. I didn't lift the lid to see the laptop. So I get a job from the box and I start the video. So everything is real. No coffee for Didi. Yeah, she has coffee.
Mine is done.
If he knows you're Didi, that means he's from your channel.
No,
No?
no,
Well, how he knows you are Didi?
because you always said Didi's on the chat.
Who said that?
You always said when you see me on the chat, you said Didi's on the chat.
No, I'm using Diana, no Didi.
No,
Yeah?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Finish coffee? Moonshine time? No, no moonshine. No, I don't have anyway. No, I'm not drinking. Alcohol is just bad.
It's a trap. Don't admit it.
It's a trap.
Yeah, I heard that Didi means sister in India.
You use both Didi and Diana? Probably. Barbecue today? No barbecue. No, we are going with the puppy to the golden retriever meeting. Are you also on Discord often? I'm always. What do you mean? I'm always. I'm here. I'm always on the Discord. Check here. On Discord, I'm always present. So this is our Discord. You see? I'm always here. Always. But don't text me, yeah? Don't text me. Because you text me because you want a shortcut. And I can't give you shortcuts. We have, like I said, 25,000 people there. Just ask on the laptop chat, BIOS, software, whatever you are interested in. I have too many messages there. There are people, they don't even post the problem on Discord. They just text me, and that's not fair. It's not fair. Hard Thunderstruck, yeah, definitely. I would love to have some, like high quality one. No alcohol inside from like pure alcohol. No sugar, like pure stuff. Yeah, I love pure stuff. Can I post my question that you suggest? You can post the question on our Discord. Yeah, yeah. I ordered the microscope from Temu. It was a good one. I sold my one. I listed on eBay and I sold it. It was a good one. No, it's okay. Don't worry. No. It's. I said I will not say no to good moonshine, but I'm not looking for something like that. Yeah, Diana. Diana is yeah. Alcohol is making me a different person. I got my racing camera. Yeah. Yeah, depends of the model. But they are good quality racing. Pricing, yeah. Guys, have you finished your coffee? Disable direct message from not friends. Yeah, but that's not how it's supposed to work. You're supposed, you have a problem, you ask on Discord. Did you remove all the capacitor from the microscope before you sold it? No, no, I just sold it how it was. Yeah, I feel sorry, Ken, because you were the winner of the NLBA, if you remember, and you said you don't want it. But I still have here. I still have an NLBA for a future giveaway because the guy which won the second guy who won the NLBA, it was from Romania. So the NLBA manufacturer sent him an NLBA from Romania. So I still have the one which was supposed to give away for the giveaway. It's here on the box. It's on the box. Yeah. That wasn't me.
I think it was someone else.
Oh, I think that guy was actually from New York. That's why I made the confusion because the guy said I'm from New York. I'm making the confusion. Sorry for that. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it was someone else. I think, I'm not sure. If I remember, it was not something we can. Can? Yeah. I feel guilty for that because I didn't see his message on the chat. Expensive have a different meaning for different people. Depends what expensive means for you. The way I'm looking when I'm buying something is okay, how much money I make with this device, how much device cost, and how much money I'm making with it. That's how you should look at it. Then you are looking to the competition. Can I find another device cheaper which is doing the same job? You said the Ohm law. Is that the golden rule? Yeah. The golden rule is the Ohm law. So soon as you understand the Ohm law, and I don't mean learn the Ohm law. I mean understanding the Ohm law. That's the difference, yeah? So soon as you understand the Ohm law, then everything is becoming extremely easy. The Munurus. No, 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 because he said, I don't want it, give to the next one. And you were the next one. So you don't have to feel guilty. I feel guilty because I didn't see his message. That's the only reason. But if you remember, I correct that and I said, congratulations. I'm really sorry you are the winner. And he said, yeah, but I don't use it. So you can give to the next one. So you don't have to feel guilty. No. When will the giveaway happen? I don't have anything planned yet. When he's saying, I will do it.
Cheers to you from Middle America. It's way too early to be up here. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Early morning.
Yeah. Guys, have you finished your coffee? It's been like 1 hour and 10 minutes. Doggo is cute? Yeah, it is. Marius Nata. We finish? Yeah? We finish the coffee? Okay. I don't know where is my live stream. Yeah, found it. I found it. It's here. 73, Mike? Okay. So I'm gonna stop here. I have a bunch of jobs, so I'm gonna come with some content next week. Not today, next week. Per discorso in hard thunderstruck. Control de... No, control de RC e un bot. RC e bot. Io sono sorin din... da, clar nu mi-ai scris mie. Here, on the top, you can see me here? Yeah. Yeah, that's me. We're waiting for new content? Yeah.
Trimite-ne și nouă din lucrurile tale să te scăpăm de hard work.
Your mic sound better than... You know what? I test the mic. I opened the mic, yeah? Don't get me wrong. I opened the mic, I opened the receiver, and this is some kind of new chip. So this chip is doing everything on the mic. But this mic is performing better, performance speaking, compared with the Samsung one. And it's not even a directional mic, but it's still getting less noise from around. Has some noise reduction stuff inside of that chip. I don't think I'm gonna keep this, but for 11 pounds without discount. So this microphone, no, all free, sorry, all free stuff, 2 microphones and the receiver is like 11 pounds on Temu. It's insanely good. So I'm looking for this kind of mics for a long time. But to find a good one, you know, without having that UHF analog transmission noise, like FM noise, this is digital. It's insanely good for 11 pounds. You understand? I never thought you have a supervisor. Yeah, it's my wife. The wife is supervisor.
Andoli, îți mulțumim.
I'm gonna stop here. I will say thank you for being here with me and Diana. It was a Valentine's Day live stream, even if today is 15. Can you share the Discord link again? Yeah, I can. You call my wife the warden? Yeah, that's the Discord link. See you on the next one next week, right? You just enjoy the day next to your wife, your puppy, your dog, your family. You know, have fun and see you on the next one, right? Next
Have
week.
a great Sunday, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.